When people hear I've written a book, they often ask, what's inside? Is it just finance talk? The answer is no. This book is so much more than numbers. Inside The Leverage Effect, you'll find real stories of women I've worked with, the challenges they faced, and the strategies we used to turn things around. You'll find practical steps you can apply in your own business, whether it's just getting started or scaling up. And you'll find mindset shifts that will completely change the way you look at money. This isn't a dry step-by-step manual. It's a playbook. It's a guide you can pick up when you're ready to grow and say, all right, let's do this differently. And the best part, it's written in plain English. No jargon, no overwhelming spreadsheets, just strategies, examples, and encouragement to help you use what you've already built to create real wealth. That's what you'll get behind these pages, a mix of inspiration and instruction designed to make finance feel doable.